Hello, my name is Aaron Rodriguez, and today I'm actually going to be presenting over my technological tool, which will be Edpuzzle. I discovered Edpuzzle just recently, just because it's assignment. I wanted something different. Throughout my time in college and school, I've made so many Prezi, so many slideshows, so many recordings. So I really wanted something different that could be really interactive, not only for the teacher but for the student. And this is where I discovered this amazing tool of Edpuzzle. So Edpuzzle is essentially a collection of videos that you can create yourself or that you can find on the website. So there's communities, there's some that you can get with your school and make certain school ones. There's ones you can just find on YouTube. And it has a lot of resources not only for you, but for your students. And what's amazing about this is that you can make it interactive in a way that there's actual, excuse me, quizzing in the videos. So for example, I'll pull this other tab up. I didn't want y'all to have to listen to this video, but they're giving a presentation about cells, and so the video pauses, and to the right you can see here there's a multiple choice question: true or false, cells do or do not interact with their environment. You would then click, I think the answer is false if I remember correctly. They will then get a grade, and they can see like, oh, okay, I'm actually paying attention to the video, or like, oh, I didn't get that, let me rewind, let me take a note, let me make sure of that. And there's multiple questions to this. So if I can continue, I'm just gonna pause so your ears don't have to hear all that. But each one of these is actually a different question or a point where the teacher wants the student to acknowledge that they're learning or hearing something. You can also hear they have multiple choice questions, which is awesome. This is really not only excuse me, accounting for the students learning, but also this could be something that teachers can use just to, like, maybe a little refresher. Okay, we're going into, let's just keep using this video as an example. Hey, we're going into cells this week. Let's make sure we know what we're covering. So let me make sure I'm comfortable with this material. What's awesome about this, so you can also go to add content. So not only can teachers make videos, upload videos, record their own videos, and have videos just like this, you can actually make student projects also and give them out so that students are making these kind of videos too. So not only are you making presentations, but they can make presentations for themselves to quiz themselves, quiz their excuse me, their classmates, or even just have it as a regular presentation, which is awesome. I've really loved I've really enjoyed, sorry, playing with this. They have so many videos that you can already use by yourself, or you can upload your own, and it's been great. Especially, I just love the aspect of quizzing oneself or classmates or the teacher quizzing the students to be sure that they're not just playing a video and walking off and not worrying about it. So I hope that you enjoyed this presentation. Hopefully you can use this one day. I know I'm going to be trying to play with it more, and hopefully you will too. Thank you.